Your Excellency, I'm sure that you are mindful of our desire to change the name of the Greater Accra region to the GaDangbe region. This is part of the effort towards unification and consolidation of the Ga state. Your assistance in this regard will be appreciated by us. The Ga language has been threatened in recent years. Indeed, many schools do not teach Ga anymore in the Greater Accra region. And to this, it's a big threat to our very existence and our culture because we evolve from it. We are asking that teachers that are trained to teach Ga are posted to our Ga communities. From the effort of the Ga Traditional Council and the Office of the Ga Manche, we are also asking that before you send and ask the posting regulators to send our wards who have been taught the Ga or graduates from Ga teaching institutions to communities within the Ga state so that they can teach the Ga language. We are also making an effort to teach Ga on most of our social media platforms and have it on most of our networks.
We know we are who Minister for Education here, Dr. Tsuru, Enufe. Enuga, she translation no administrative arrangements. Many Ga teachers who can teach Ga will be brought to teach Ga in the Ga communities. I think it's in order. The minister with Ghana Education Service, but I think you will see some changes soon in this policy. That will come. For Greater Accra name to be changed to GaDangbe, with respect, Niga, that one is not your responsibility, it is my responsibility. I will consult my cabinet and the Council of State, Mobakwe, but I cannot commit myself to that. And you cannot do it without me.